Catherine, the Princess of Wales. Many knew her as Kate Middleton before she married into the British royal family. She shared a personal revelation with the world in a video. She disclosed her cancer diagnosis. She is now facing a battle with quiet strength. That strength had come to define her public persona. The news is a shock to many. It came 2 months after Catherine had major abdominal surgery, the unexpected diagnosis. During post-surgery tests, the medical team discovered it. It marked the start of her chemotherapy journey in late February. The type of cancer remained undisclosed. This added a layer of privacy to her life, which is already intensely scrutinized. It is more than an announcement. It is a heartfelt sharing of her reality. Catherine spoke of the shock. She spoke of coming to terms with her diagnosis. She spoke alongside her husband, William, the Prince of Wales. They faced the complexity of managing a big personal challenge. They did this in the public eye, while mindful of their young children. The children understood their mother's condition. She started chemotherapy. Her family and the wider community supported her. Her father-in-law, King Charles, he is undergoing cancer treatment. The rest of the royal family offered unwavering support. Public figures and citizens alike rallied in empathy and solidarity. They showed the challenge she faced is universal. The UK Prime Minister and the White House Press Secretary, among others, voiced their support and respect for Catherine. They praised her bravery and stressed the need for privacy at such a time. The support showed how much she had affected people. People experienced the feeling both within and outside the UK. Amid this personal battle, the royal family also faced external challenges. They faced scrutiny over privacy breaches at the hospital. They also faced controversy over edited photographs. Yet these trials were small compared to Catherine's journey. She is on a journey of health and recovery. It is a quiet, chilly December morning. The royal family led the service. Catherine, the Princess of Wales, and Prince William were there too. They were at the Christmas service in Sandringham. The crisp winter air shrouded the coastal estate. It bore witness to Catherine's last public event. The event was in a season marked by her trials and resilience. Their children, as well as other royal family members, were a testament to unity and strength. These would soon be crucial in the coming months. As the new year began, the quiet concerns within the palace started to surface. On January 16, 2024, the London clinic admitted Catherine, who was 42 years old. She was to have abdominal surgery. Its nature was secret. They delayed announcements about it until the next day. The palace assured the public in a statement. They said her condition was not related to cancer, but the statement gave few details. This left room for speculation and concern. At the same time, the palace shared news. They said King Charles is being treated for a benign enlarged prostate. This news cast a shadow of human vulnerability over the royal family's stoic facade. The story of health challenges in the royal circle grew. It expanded. The Duchess of York, Sarah, revealed her fight against skin cancer. Days later, King Charles had his hospital stay for prostate treatment. It further underscored the tough challenges faced by the family. Amid these trials, moments of hope and recovery emerged. Charles and Catherine were both let out of the hospital. Someone saw Charles leaving with Camilla. She is a symbol of support and resilience. Even though Catherine was not pictured. Reports said she was making good progress at home. She is a beacon of strength in the quiet battle she faces. February brought a heavy revelation. Buckingham Palace announced that King Charles had cancer. The specifics of his condition remained secret. This added solemnity to the family's public events. Prince Harry briefly returned to the UK to visit his father. It was a sad reminder of the family's close bonds. The bonds go beyond the physical distances that often separate them. As the weeks passed, the royal family dealt with personal matters and public events. They were absent at a memorial service and got the tragic news of Thomas Kingston's death. These added layers of sorrow and complexity to their shared story. People speculated and scrutinized Catherine, but a photo of her offered a moment of normalcy. It was a pause in the swirling rumors about her health. Public life is challenging and invites scrutiny. The controversy over a doctored photo released for Mother's Day showed this. Catherine then apologized. The royal family's quiet dignity in the face of speculation showed their human side. Their public roles often hide this side. In a rare moment of candor, a video captured Catherine's radiant smile while she was shopping with William. The video showed the family's moments of joy and normal life. They cherished these moments amidst their trials. The investigation into a privacy breach at the London clinic was complex, adding a final note of complexity. It was a reminder of the balance between public life and private vulnerability. The royal family faced months of challenges, health scares, and public scrutiny. But their journey showed their resilience and the power of family bonds. It also showed the enduring support they found in each other. Amid their grand public roles, their story was universal. It was one of hope, healing, and the relentless pursuit of privacy and normal life in the face of life's unexpected trials.